Experience the true beauty of Jamaica by taking a 3-mile raft down the legendary Martha Brae River. Located in the Parish of Trelawny, expert river guides are waiting to whisk you off down the magical river surrounded by Jamaica's lush greens. During the 40-ish minute experience, our guide gave us a brief lesson about the river and its surroundings, and even stopped on the riverside so we could purchase a few Jamaican souvenirs. It's a memorable and lifetime experience, so if you want to do something different, I definitely suggest a river raft ride down Martha Brae.